Ladies and gentlemen, it's our pleasure to welcome you to Narita, Japan, with the local time. It's 7 minutes after 2 o'clock p.m. October 18th, 2019. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins as items tend to shift during the flight. You may now use your mobile devices. Before you leave the aircraft, please be sure to check your seat pocket, the overhead bins, the floor area around your seat for any personal items you brought on board with you. We invite you to visit delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. On behalf of Delta, the Sky team, and our global partners, especially this Detroit-based crew, we thank you again for sharing your journey with us. We've enjoyed having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. Thank you, and have a good afternoon.